Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to connect multiple apps using Zapier. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to connect multiple apps using your Zapier, then all you gotta do is simply go to Zapier. Once you go to your Zapier app or website, you can simply get logged in into your account. Once you have logged in into your account as well, you need to now simply set up your trigger. You can simply find an option called Zap. Simply tap on it, and now you need to choose your trigger. You need to choose an app as a trigger. You can select any of the app as a trigger. And once you've selected that, you need to now add action. In the action step, you need to select another application which you want to connect. So once you have selected both your trigger and action, you need to add more action steps. So you need to repeat like additional apps as an action step, as you need to connect multiple apps. Once you have done this, you need to thoroughly test your entire multiple step Zap to ensure all connections and data transfer are functionally correct. Once you're satisfied, you can name your Zap and publish it to make the automation live. So this way you can connect multiple apps using Zapier. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.